Hello everyone, welcome back to another JavaScript lesson. Today we're diving into string manipulation, specifically how to create a new string where either the first three characters are in the lowercase or the string is shorter than that. The entire string is in uppercase. Let's get started. Here's the challenge. If our string has three or more characters, we'll change just the first three to lowercase. But if it's shorter than 3, we'll convert the whole string to uppercase. This way, we'll handle both cases in one function. Here's the JavaScript code for our function. We start by defining upper, lower, which accepts a string parameter, str. First, we'll check if the length of str is less than 3. If it is, we return the uppercase version of the entire string. Otherwise, we split the string and lowercase the first three characters. Let's break down the logic here. Our function first checks if the string has fewer than 3 characters. If it does, we uppercase the whole string and return it. If the string is longer, we lowercase the first 3 characters and add the rest of the original string. Let's test our function with some examples. When we pass Python, the function lowers the first 3 characters and returns Python. For a shorter string, like hi, it uppercases the whole string to hi. Finally, with JavaScript, it gives us JavaScript. If you're comfortable with ES6, here's a shorter version using an arrow function and a ternary operator. The ternary operator makes the code more concise while keeping the same logic. And that's it for this lesson. We've learned how to adjust the case of a string based on its length, which can be useful for formatting and displaying text. Thanks for following along. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. See you next time.